But first, there are new signs that America is beating back the pandemic with the help of vaccines. Unfortunately, there are also indications of potential trouble ahead. Yesterday, a reported 272 people died from the virus in the United States. But vaccination rates have been slowing, even as a more contagious strain called the Delta variant is spreading rapidly. CBS's David Begnaud has a closer look for us tonight.
Whether it's airports, NBA games, or concerts, crowds are gathering across the nation as Americans start a return to pre-pandemic life. But with just 45% of Americans fully vaccinated, health experts are worried about the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant that appears to be about 60% more contagious than the Alpha variant, which was discovered in the United Kingdom. And that was the last variant of major concern, according to infectious disease expert Dr. Michael Osterholm.
In the areas where they have large pockets of unvaccinated people, we can surely expect to see surges in cases, in some situations challenging the healthcare capacity of that local area.
We're there currently here. We're holding patients in the ER, waiting on admissions, waiting on discharges on any given day.
Craig McCoy is president of Mercy Hospital in Springfield, Missouri. Only 32% of the surrounding county there is vaccinated, and COVID hospitalizations are up more than 210% since the 1st of June. Most alarming is that 90% of all COVID samples being sequenced from that county are coming back positive for the Delta variant. McCoy says at his hospital, almost every patient is unvaccinated.
We've only had 2 that have come in as inpatients that have been fully vaccinated. The vaccine, from everything we can see, does appear to be effective against the Delta variant.
Does this Delta variant have the potential of being another wave?
The Delta variant clearly is going to be another wave, that if you decide not to get vaccinated, this virus will still find you.
And here comes the good news. Dr. Osterholm says if you are fully vaccinated, you shouldn't really have to worry about that Delta variant. David Begnaud, CBS News, Manhattan.
Only 16 states have fully vaccinated more than half of their populations. Health experts believe vaccination rates must be over 70% in order to reach herd immunity. They also say vaccinated people with underlying health issues are still susceptible to the Delta variant, and they should continue to wear masks and social distance. And that's leading to a renewed call from some state health officials. When out in public, wear a mask, even if you're vaccinated. It's a suggestion health officials describe as a personal choice. And Dr. Dillahay with the Arkansas Department of Health says people who are fully vaccinated can feel confident in public. But with hospitalizations and ventilator use on the rise, she is strongly encouraging people to take steps now. Dillahay believes it's important for us to consider those who cannot be vaccinated yet, like children.
It's hard for children to wear masks if the adults are not wearing masks. So that is one benefit of people wearing masks, even if they are fully vaccinated.
Dr. Dillahay says in public places like grocery stores and retail shops, she has her mask on. When she's around people she knows who have been fully vaccinated, they take it off. We want to hear from you this evening. Would you consider wearing a mask in crowded places again? Weigh in at thv11.com/vote.